One of my prior bosses had a saying, if you have the attitude, we can teach you the aptitude. And I wholeheartedly believe that's what Valencia College program is doing here today.
At Valencia College, a new foundry of knowledge is preparing students for the future of manufacturing, where hands-on meets high-tech in learning environments based on advanced, real-world technologies, and programs co-developed by professionals in the field. Our advanced manufacturing programs align with national industry standards, producing a wealth of employment opportunities for graduates. Get certified in different fields, including electronic board assembly, CNC computer numerical control, mechatronics, welding technology, Six Sigma and Lean manufacturing.
Valencia's Advanced Manufacturing Training Program is helping keep Florida competitive for future jobs and new businesses by developing highly skilled workers to support our future workforce.
It's not only just for a job, it's for a career. And a career with companies like RUAG, like Tesla, like SpaceX, Blue Origin. These are all companies that are breaking ground. And it is an amazing opportunity to even be here and share the same air with something that's going to be so explosive in the future. And I'm proud to be here.
Earn your certification in as little as 4 months without a prior degree, diploma, or industry experience. Welcome to the college program you were made for.